How to install NetBeans on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser, and then on the search bar just search for NetBeans download and then click enter. Once you click enter right there, click this link, which is the netbeans.apache.org. So click that one right there. And then you will be redirected into this part. Once you're now here under the latest release, click the download button right here. And then once you're now here under the installers and packages, just click Friends of Apache NetBeans right here. And then in this part, just look for your operating system. So currently I'm using Windows. So I'm going to click the download button right here under the Windows. So I'm going to click this. And then after that, this will pop up. So just click save. And then let's wait for it to finish. Once it is downloaded, just click open file right here. And then after that, just click next right here. And then after that, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, it's up to you, but I'm going to uncheck this and then click next. After that, click install again. And then let's wait for this again to finish. Once it is downloaded, just check this launch Apache NetBeans and then click finish. After that, let's wait for this to open. Once it opens, you will now be able to create new projects right here. So you can click this one right there, or you can go here on the file, which is on the upper left corner of the window, and then you will see this new project. So just click new project right there. And then once you're here, just choose Java with Maven and then Java application, and then click next again. After that, you can now name your project right here, but I will just leave it as it is, and then click finish. After that, you will now be able to see this. So you will see your package, your class, and then of course it will say hello world right here. So if you want to change this, let's say for example, we're going to put subscribe. And then once you're now done with this, and if you want to see it, go here on the file and then click save all. And then go here and click the preview. So I'm going to run the project, which is right here. And then if we look right here on the bottom, we will be able to see subscribe right here. So as you can see, it works. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to install NetBeans on Windows 11.